Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2023 Nissan Altima, and we're going to do the wheel chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation. For this vehicle we have the rim size 17, so make sure it's the same size as the one we have here, and also the same design chrome delete as well. For this one we use a gloss black material, that way it matches the color scheme of the wheel and the inside of the rim. If you like the product, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before you start the installation, you want to make sure we clean the rim. So remove any contaminants that the rim might have, and also make sure there's no coating on the rim, because if there is some type of coating, you're going to have a difficult time installing the film. So just make sure the rim is squeaky clean. So for the wheel chrome delete, it should be a simple installation because the rim itself is a flat rim. There's no crazy design on the rim itself. So when you're installing, just make sure you align it from one end and work your way to the other end. And you just rinse and repeat the same steps until you cover the whole rim. So when you grab your piece, you are going to see one side has a curve, the other side has a flatter surface. So the flatter surface, align it to the flat end of the rim side first. And then once you align it on one end, just follow the design of the rim and make sure you're just covering the chrome when you're doing installation like this. Pretty simple. And then you would just rinse and repeat for the same exact one underneath it. So just align it from one end, make sure you're covering the chrome, tack it down, and you just do that, and you just rinse and repeat for the same ones right here. And then for this one, it's the same thing, pretty easy. You could either do it from here or here. Just start from one end, make sure you're covering the chrome, and just like that, pretty simple. You would just rinse and repeat the same steps that we did for these three small pieces to the rest of the rim. And then once you finish installing everything, the final thing to do would be post heat the whole film. And to post heat, you would use a heat gun, and you just go around the whole section, making sure the film tacks down to the curve, and make sure that the film stays tacked down to the rim as well. So you would just post heat once you finish installing everything. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the wheel chrome delete for the 2023 Nissan Altima. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.